Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to add your region on Gmail using your PC after the latest update. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by visiting your Google account. To do this, open your preferred web browser and type in myaccount.google.com. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your account homepage. Next, look towards the top right corner of the page. You'll see a small gear icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on that to access your account settings. After clicking on Settings, select See All Settings to explore more options available to you. You'll find a range of tabs, but we need to focus on the phone numbers section. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you come across Phone Numbers. You'll see an option labeled Default Country Code. This is where you can change your region to ensure it matches your current location. Click on Default Country Code, and a drop-down menu will appear. Scroll through the list and select your desired country code. This will make it easier for your contacts to reach you and for you to communicate effectively with others. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure to click on Save Changes. It's essential to save your updated settings to ensure they take effect. And that's it. You've successfully added your region on Gmail using your PC. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.